Okay, if this is working, I've got this recording so that I can show you what's happening to us. So this one is a request for 3 copies of the Bark, Canoes, and Skin Boats of North America. It's in review because that's how our requests come in. So I click on it, and what I have always done at this point is cancel it, make it new, and then go from there in order to make the requests. So now when I cancel the request and then click on it again, I see no button to make it new in order to take advantage of the book club mechanism. So I've just canceled it and I'm stuck. So that doesn't help. We've also discovered another option that looks like it works part way but then doesn't completely. So I'm going to go back to Interlibrary Loan Home and look at the not reviewed, and this one, Still Waters, White Waters, Exploring America's Rivers and Lakes, is another fake request for me. In the bottom here it says 3 copies for book club, please. So we noticed that if we don't cancel the request but just go ahead and view holdings, we now have the slider here for the quantity, which we didn't used to have, which is why we had to go through that little loop of canceling the request. So I can put in 3 and I can pick a lender string from my Freelibs custom holdings path, and the system will slowly, because there's a lot of people that own this thing, pretend that it's going to go ahead and make a 3-string request or a 3-request request. I can say update, and I can apply constant data. And in this case, well, I'll just cancel the request right away. And it looks fine. I've got a lender string, 1, you might notice, and I've got the ship to address. So if I click send request, it makes the 1 request. What happened to the other 2? They just didn't make. So that's the problem. We can't figure out how to make requests other than putting them in 6 or 7 times or something like that. It's not working like it used to. I'm going to grab this quickly and cancel it because I don't really want that canoe book. That's the scoop.